And just so you know, it's far more painful than it looks. Just saying.
ถ่ายตอนนี้เหรอ
Right.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerers of death construction. And the fields of bodies burning, as a war machine keep turning. Death and hatred to mankind, poison in their brainwashed minds. Oh yeah. Politicians hide themselves away. They only started the war. Why should they go out to fight? Leave that to the poor. Yeah. Time will tell on their power of mind, making war just for fun, treating people just like pawns in chess. Wait till Judgment Day comes, yeah.
If you are watching this video, it means that I have been... Just joking. Anyway, earthquake update and aftershocks and the effect on the Kingdom of Thailand and the effect on Big Brenners. So, as you're all aware, a few days ago, and thank you very much for the messages of concern. I anticipated that because, you know, as we know from people that go overseas, and there's flooding in Brisbane, and then people are in Perth, and you go, oh my God, are you all right? Well, yes, we are, because we're a million miles away. Well, it's the same thing with us. So the earthquake was a 7.7, not an 8.2 that was reported in Thai media. 7.7 at Mandalay, Myanmar. We're in Buriram, which is about 300-400 kilometres northeast of Bangkok. Bangkok suffered aftershocks and studied up north in Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai. You guys in Aussie will probably have better information than I'm getting here, to be honest with you, based on some of the news coverage I've seen. The Bangkok Post, what I've read of that, seems to be pretty fair and accurate analysis of the situation. But a lot of the television media in Thailand are very much into sensationalism and drama. Gets ratings, that's good, but in a nation that's not particularly well educated, obviously the media need to make money, and they will do what is popular with the population, and the population love that. So the problem was there's a lot of vision and footage, and I won't go into it too much because I can't on a tourism SIM card, but there was a concern from the Thai nationals generally, and hence a change in plan. So we were completely safe, but there was concerns that the aftershocks in Bangkok may be an issue, and hence the change of travel plans from Buriram to Hua Hin via Bangkok has stopped, and I am speaking to you now from Ubon Ratchathani, which is on the Cambodian border, not far from the Laos border too, near the Mekong River. We're still 100 k's out, but yeah. So everything's safe here, everything's good. Um, um, oh God, thoughts and prayers to the people of Myanmar. The word on the street, and again, I don't know, the word on the street, 1600 official, which means, as you know, 10,000 unofficial deaths in Myanmar. And the Thai people are quite concerned, by the way, and let's face it, those two countries do not get on. Myanmar and Thailand are not friends at all. But the Thai people are very giving people, caring people, and they are concerned about the Burmese at this time. Hi everyone, I can't speak too loudly because I'm on the bus at Buriram, and we're on our way to Ubon Ratchathani, or as they just call it, Ubon. So we're at the bus station now. It's a beautiful bus, salubrious seating, air conditioning, and we're on the top level. I don't know if that's good or bad for my motion sickness. Anyway, oh, big TV at the front too. It seems very nice, the seats are very comfortable, even has a footrest, and let's oge.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, the sorcerers of death construction. In the fields the bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning. Death and hatred to mankind.